I'm making this peanut chutney powder as per the request made by one of our ardent followers. To begin with, I have taken a cup of peanuts. Roast the peanuts till aromatic, and you can increase the proportion of the peanuts and you can increase the proportion of the spices as well. Take a gooseberry sized tamarind, shallow fry in a spoon of oil, add salt and turmeric powder. I have used chili powder. Instead of chili powder, you can as well use 1 cup of red chillies, but you have to roast them properly with a spoon of oil. You have to remove the pungent rawness of the chili powder, and you have to make sure that the color of the chili powder changes as well. Add hing and add a spoon of jaggery powder. Add desiccated coconut. And add a sprig of dry curry leaves. You can add a few more leaves if you want.